In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Pocket Option to TradingView. So over here, if you go to TradingView and you go one of their charts at the very bottom, usually you would connect to any of the brokers and stuff like that from the trading panel over here. You want to click on trading panel, and then you want to go ahead and basically make this a bit bigger. And then here, you'd be able to basically just find your broker. Okay, so there's going to be a bunch of different ones over here, but you will notice that Pocket Option is not on the list. This is because you can't actually directly connect Pocket Option to TradingView, but what you can do is a smart workaround. So you simply open up your TradingView in the first tab up here, and then you open up Pocket Option on the second tab. Then what you want to do is you simply want to find the same symbol you want to, of course, be buying. So for example, Bitcoin like this, and Bitcoin over here as well. And then as you can see, you can do your chart analysis. You can go ahead and just look at the charts over here on TradingView. And then whenever you're ready to initiate a trade, you can just swap over really quickly to Pocket Option, and you can go ahead and buy or sell whenever you want. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.